Good afternoon mga kakikoy ko. Oh my God. Kasama ko yung apo ko yun, no? Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, I love you.
Dadalhin ko sila sa sa gym kasi
I love you.
super lamig ngayon dito, minus 36 feels like minus 46. So, yung
I love you.
temperature sa fridge 4 times or maybe 6 times. Maybe 6 times.
Oh no.
Sa sobrang lamig talaga. Coming? So, ganun pa man. Okay. And Charlie, bring Charlie. How about Tita Grace? Tita Grace. Remind her to print because the library is open at 12. Print. She need a print. Ask nanay, print. Kausap ko yung apo ko.
Friend?
Yeah, prints. So ganun pa man, nag-message ako sa namin principal. She's very nice and kind person. So thank you so much Mrs. Miser for granting my words. Alright. So kailangan nating magpaalam. We need to ask permission. Whether she like it or not. Because she's the boss there in school. Alright. Again, thank you so much Mrs. Miser.
Where's my dad?
I don't know, where's your dad? Maybe at home. In your home. Remember? We live there, your mom and dad, right? So ganun pa man, pag ganitong malamig, I'm very happy that I have a big facility like school, so I can take my family there and enjoy the warm weather inside. So we need exercise. Actually, I did exercise last night. Jogging. I love jogging. Alright. So ito ang buhay Canada. Ikaw, pupunta ka pa ba ng Canada?
Keep running.
In this time of very cold? For me, yeah, why not? Cold is cold. Hot is hot. So as long as you have full bottle or more layers. So this one, please jacket, one long sleeve and sports shirt, anti sweat, something like that, para sa pawis. And then this one, windbreaker jacket. This is winter jacket. So ayan, tulad nga ng sinabi ko, isasama ko sila doon, dadalhin ko. Say hi again.
Hi. Oh,
Don't-
hi.
Yeah, don't licking the seats, not seat, because it's dirty. Ano siya, itong apo ko to, mahilig magdila-dila. Kasi nagugustuhan niya yung especially yung kwan. Don't lick in on the metal because di gonna stuck your tongue to the cold.
No.
Yeah, di gonna rip your tongue.
No. Oh no.
Don't do that. Ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung yung lamig.
No.
So yan ang temperature niya currently based on my car sensor. All right, based on my car sensor. Yan.
On your side.
Tsaka malakas sa gas. Nagpagas ako the other day 25 sa half tank. Ngayon ano na 1/4 now. So okay lang yan, magpagas ulit tayo. Alright. So naka ano na tayo, 213,621 kilometer since this car was manufactured. Alright. So ayun mga kakikoy ko, balik tayo sa ating kwento. Grabing lamig talaga in terms of cold. Alright. So ito yung susi ko sa ano, sa school. Ang dami, no? Dami akong susi sa school. Yan. Gagawin ko tong ano, tawag nun, thumbnail. Alright. What is this, baby?
Key.
Oh, keys. Lots of key. Why Daddy Lo has lots of keys? Why?
Because
I work at school, right? And there's key for the lights and the paper towel dispenser, sanitizer, hand sanitizer dispenser, and everything, and toilet paper. And this is special key for the lights. Yan. Special key for the lights kasi alam mo naman sa school maraming mga bata pinaglalaroan yung ganyan na ano, ganyan. Yung ordinary na switch. Pero ito hindi nila magawa. Kasi special key to. At saka may na-notice ako in my 15 years dito, mag 16 years na pala ako sa March. Ano, may nasira isa. Siguro yung hindi natin alam kung estudyante inano niya, may ginawa siyang kakaiba doon kaya nasira. So ang pinalitan ng ano, ng yung ordinary na switch. Kaya minsan may mga estudyante na pinapatay sa hallway. Ano talaga, hindi mo masabi na ano, mabait sila o ano, yung, alam mo na, yung bata, di ba? So ganun pa man, thank you so much. Keep on watching kasi pupunta na kami doon sa gym. Alright, mamaya makikita nyo. Keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko. Say hi, Shelly. Say hi to our vlog.
Hi. Look at your hair.
Alright.
I have my.
Walang.
Hi, Nanay.
Hi.
I love you, Nanay.
I love you. I love you, Scarlett.
I love you.
So ayan mga kakikoy ko, napakalamig talaga dito. Alright. Maganda. Sikat na sikat yung araw pero super duper lamig. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, nandito na kami sa gym. Alright. Ayan, nandun na yung apo ko. Tuwang-tuwa na. Yeah! Shoot! Shoot! Yeah, the ball. Use the ball. Ayan si Kikay. Go vlog ako. Ayan! So ayan, oh. Alright. Itong pamilya ni Kiko, ayan, oh, alright. Yeah. Diba, kami lang. Thank you. Hello, hello! Go, go, keep running. Bilis na. Bilis. Ah!